Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna keep this really concise, cute, and neat. We're gonna be talking about 3 different reasons why your hair might be frizzy and 3 different masks you can do to help combat that frizziness, because we want our curls to be defined and curly, not dry and frizzy. So we're gonna go over that. But of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I would greatly appreciate it. And let's just jump straight into these tips. So just a brief history about my hair. I am low porosity. I would say my texture, I think I'm a 3C, 4A. That's what I've been claiming. If I'm wrong, let me know. Low porosity hair can be a little tricky as far as getting moisture into the hair and retaining that moisture. So the #1 reason why your curls might be frizzy is because you have too much buildup. I feel like with natural hair, a lot of times we think that the thicker the product is, the better that it's going to be for your hair, but especially for low porosity hair, that's not always the case. And if you are someone who only co-washes and you don't use an actual shampoo and you don't clarify, like maybe with apple cider vinegar or just with a clarifying shampoo, you can start to see buildup pretty quickly, and in turn your hair can be a little bit more unmanageable. So you'll see a lot more tangles, it'll be a lot more frizzy, and that can be due to the buildup that you have from a lot of these heavy products. Now, I'm not telling you guys to change your products and get the thickest butter, put it on them curls, but make sure that you are properly cleansing your hair. My combination of choice is using Aztec clay and apple cider vinegar, mixing that together and then just leaving that on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. That will leave your hair clean, but not dry, just clean. Your curls will look so much more defined. They'll just be fresh, like it'll just feel so much more fresh. And the Aztec clay that I use is this baby right here. You have seen it at Walmart or Walgreens or Target, wherever you shop at. And then just some good old apple cider vinegar, and also mix in a little bit of water. I have a video doing my maximum hydration method, I'm gonna link that down below. Now, the next reason why your curls might be really frizzy might be a moisture protein imbalance. My hair, I feel like it's usually pretty good as far as the protein side. I feel like where I'm lacking usually is in the moisture side. But one thing that I love to do, and I used to do this after I colored my hair, when I had my blonde hair and when I had my red hair, I would do this whenever I would do a touch-up. And it's the, don't judge me because I've had this sitting in my bathroom for a while. I actually forgot that I had it, and I need to do these because it's looking a little bit rough. But it's the protein and moisture solution. So it's just a 2-pack. This is from the Ion brand, so you can find it at Sally's. Again, don't judge. It looks like it's been through a lot of things. So step 1 is going to be the protein solution. Step 2 is going to be the hydration solution. So basically it's just a 2-step mask. You put the protein on first, rinse that off, and then you put on the moisture mask, and it just refreshes your hair. Your curls will look so good because they're just in balance. Everything's working together in harmony. So this is a really good mask to use, especially if you're not really into mixing ingredients like with the first mask. This could be a really helpful one. Now, the last reason why your curls might be frizzy is because they're probably just dry. I mean, we're gonna jump right to it. They're probably dry. When your hair is curly, it's harder for the oil to travel down the shaft of the hair, so a lot of your hair is just sitting there without any type of coating or protection, and that's where you get that moisture loss from. And when you add things like cold weather and wind and the sun, your hair can potentially get more dry. So a really simple remedy that I have to combat that is to use any conditioner or deep conditioner that you have. So the one that I have on hand is the Silico treatment mask. If I can show you that. So it looks like this. And then you just add a little bit of honey. Any type of honey. If you have Manuka honey, that one's really good, really hydrating. But mix together some honey, some conditioner, and put it on your hair, sit under a dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Let that heat really soak in there and just let that sit. And that is a really good way to add some hydration to your hair. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. If you have any more questions regarding frizziness, dryness, just hair in general, just leave them down below and I will answer them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.